Oi, shalom, shalom. How can the moon be transparent in the background, like the sky, if it's a rock? This is the Nikon P1100. Let's zoom out and let's zoom in. It's in the evening, moon age 3 days, 0.4. 3.4 days. That's the correct English. I hope so. So let's go to maximum zoom. The moon is plasma. Research flat earth. This is the newest globe killer. And they are spraying. This bastard. Here you can see a sky bender. Better the chemtrail. They are spraying. So let's go over to time lapse and see how the moon will start to light. This is my first production of this. Let's see if it works. Let's go here. Like this. This looks good. So yeah, let's go over to time lapse. Much love to everyone. And oh, here's a plane. Give me a second. Oh, here, next to the moon. The next chemtrail pilot. I have the P1000 on the tripod. It's difficult to film. They spray. So let's try. Everything is in focus. Ciao. Research flat earth.
Research flat